What's up guys, welcome to my first ever video on this YouTube channel. Today you are going to learn how to bring movement in your pictures, whether it's a dog running, a car, or basically anything. So actually it's pretty simple. The only thing you really have to do is to slow your shutter speed. Let me explain myself. My sister is now going to ride her scooter and I'm going to try to find the perfect shutter speed in order to show movement in the picture. Every time you try this, remember to change the shutter speed depending on the moving object. Bear in mind that a car doesn't go as fast as a plane. Now, if we talk about the ISOs depend on the amount of light you have. So this is totally up to you. I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe. This is a new channel, so I need help. See you soon for the next video.